Hello, welcome to Booked Up English, where we can learn English together. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will learn a letter from the English alphabet. This will get us ready to read in English. Every letter has a name and a sound. Let's learn today's letter. Today's letter is the letter N. N says newt. N says newt. What letter is it? It is letter N. What does N say? N says We use a salt tray to help us learn the letters. You will need salt and a plate or tray. Pause the video if you need. Practice writing our letters a few times. N. N says newt. B. B says bat. C. C says cat. D. D says dog. F. F says fish. G. G says goat. H. H says hippo. J. J says j jellyfish. K. K says k, k, k. Kangaroo. L. L says O, 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 ladybug. M. M says mm, 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 mouse. And today's letter N. N says mm, 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 newt. N says mm, 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 newt. What letter is it? It is letter N. What does N say? N says mm, 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 newt. What letter is it? What does N say? Post a video message. Send a PM or audio message. I'd love to hear your English and help you. See you tomorrow.